To approve carrier invoices for payment, go to the Invoices and Bills module and go to the Partner Carriers section. The Carriers section of the Invoices and Bills module is going to show you all of the manifests that have been completed by your partner carriers. And as you can see here, the manifests are grouped by the partner carrier. So I can expand Rocket Express and I can see all of the manifests that they've completed. Manifests will only appear here once they've made it to completed status. So if the manifest is still in planning or assigned or moving status, you won't see them here. So the idea is, of course, that you're going to use filters in the same way we did from the Invoices and Bills module. So for example, I want to see only the manifests that are in completed status. This is going to allow me to focus just on the manifests that I'm expecting a carrier invoice for. If I want to save this filter, I click on Views, click Create New View, and let's call it my completed filter. So eventually, your partner carriers are going to invoice you. You can come to this page and simply scroll and find it, or you can use the search field. So let's say manifest M0013 is what the carrier references. You can add that manifest number, click search or enter, and it will bring back just that manifest. You can also search by the order ID in the exact same way. So for example, if I'm looking for ID TH12-31, I can enter that value into the system and RoseRocket will bring me back to that manifest. So this manifest has already been approved for payment, and I know that because it says bill created. So let's go back to manifest 13. When I click on the manifest ID, it takes me to the manifest details page. From here, I can review the status changes that happened to the manifest on the right-hand side. And at the very bottom is where I'm going to see what I was expecting to get invoiced for this shipment. So if everything matches down here, so if I get an invoice for $4,000 and for $100 with driver detention, so a total of $4,100, if all of that checks out, I'm going to click Generate Bill. This takes me to the bill details page. It's just like the invoice details page. It's a last opportunity for you to review the information. If you click Save and Send, you're actually going to be able to email a copy of the payment remittance slip to the carrier. So by adding the carrier's email and then clicking Send and mark as sent, we're sending the carrier a summary of what it is that we are paying them for. This step is not necessary. You don't have to click Save and Send. You could also just click Save. If your process is just to mark the order as created, then I want to just bring your attention to the fact that in the Invoices and Bills section, in the Partner Carrier section, if you just create the bills, they will just stay in that status, bill created. And that's fine. You don't need to go beyond bill created status. You can leave it in bill created status. You don't have to send the remittance slip to the carrier.